Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to change the brightness on the screen on this iPhone 14 Pro. Kind of the official way is to go to the settings menu and you want to go down here and look for display and brightness, which is I guess 2 or 3 sections down from the top, below general display and brightness. You have a couple options here. So here you can basically slide it from brightest to darkest and keep it close to the top but not all the way. You can also adjust trutone, which adjusts the colors depending on the ambient light where you are. And then you can have night shift, which is, I guess it gets darker late at night so it doesn't impact your eyes. And you can do also night mode and dark mode here, and you can have that automatically happen in the evening. And then a few other things as far as changing the display, text size, etc. Auto lock, you can set the time, which is important, and then also raise to wake, always on display, etc. So anyway, that's the settings menu way to do it. Another way to do it is if you actually pull down from the top corner, and you can see here, actually this is your brightness right here. And if you click in, you have a little bit more fine tuning. So if you want to get almost as dark as possible, but not quite all the way, or somewhere in between, you can basically do that. And you can also adjust those same things: night shift mode on and off, true tone on and off, dark mode on and off. And as you see, I think when we come out, yeah, it's in dark mode. So anyway, that's how to adjust the brightness on an iPhone 14 Pro. And it's actually the same thing for the Pro Max and the non-Pro 14, and basically most newer phones working on iOS. This is iOS 16, by the way. Okay, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a hot off the presses iPhone 13 Pro Max dual physical SIM Hong Kong version. And today I'm going to show you how to insert and